Hi everyone, it's March 4th, 2013, and I don't mean to get overexcited, but this is the first time in the 9 years that I have been riding my bike along this trail that I've ever seen ducks in this body of water, which is highly polluted, which gives me some indication that the water might be in better shape than I once thought. This is also the first time that the water's been in motion for quite a while, and that there's actually water moving steadily here, because we've been in such a bad drought for about two and a half, 3 years now, or longer. Anyway, I just thought that was a positive thing to present today. I appreciate your viewership. Thanks. Bye.